Want to snag that must-have item on Amazon without breaking the bank all at once? Today, we're diving into how to use Klarna on Amazon, unlocking a flexible way to pay for your purchases in installments first. It's important to note that you can't directly use Klarna at Amazon's checkout, since it's not fully integrated yet. Here's the workaround you're going to use: the Klarna app. Open the Klarna app on your smartphone. Look for the option to create a one-time virtual card. This is your key to using Klarna on Amazon. Select this option. Klarna will generate a virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Treat this like any other credit card. It is unique and secures your transactions with Klarna. Head over to Amazon, add your desired items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment information screen, enter the virtual card details provided by Klarna. Klarna will display the payment plan options available to you. Review the terms carefully, including the installment amounts and due dates, before confirming your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully used Klarna on Amazon. Now, you can enjoy your purchase while managing your budget with flexible payments. Remember to stay on top of your Klarna payment schedule to avoid any late fees. Enjoy your stress-free shopping.